Meet the Thorny Devil, an extraordinary lizard from Australia. It's covered in unmissable spiky armor for protection. These spikes serve dual purposes, not only for self-defense but also for hydration. Incredibly, the Thorny Devil can drink from any part of its body. It uses capillary action to draw water towards its mouth. Despite its fearsome appearance, this intriguing creature is not harmful to humans. It feeds solely on ants. Lastly, the Thorny Devil has a deceptive false head on its back, a unique survival trick to confuse predators. Fascinating, isn't it?